In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see all your pins on Pinterest. I'm on the Pinterest app right now, and I believe you can't do this with a personal Pinterest account. So we're going to have to convert a personal account to a business account. Now, how you do that is if you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, then at the top right hand corner, you can see 3 horizontal dots. Tap on those 3 dots and then tap on settings. From the settings page, tap on account settings, which is right over here. Once you're on the account settings page, you just want to scroll down until you find convert to business account. It's here. Mine says convert to personal account because I already have a business account, but just go through that process of converting your personal to a business account. Then the next step is we need to go onto a web browser. I'm going to go ahead and use Google Chrome, but you can pretty much use any web browser. Then you want to go to Pinterest.com. Once we're on the Pinterest website, we need to tap on these 3 vertical dots at the top right hand corner. If you're on an iPhone, I believe, and if you're using Safari, you need to tap on the double A's at the top left hand corner, I think. But what we are going to do is we're going to enable the desktop site. So over here it says desktop site. If I toggle that on, we are now going to be using Pinterest in the desktop version. Now, as you can see, it didn't load up the correct desktop site. So all you need to do is, if this happens, is you just need to log back out and log back in again. So if I tap on my profile picture, it's right there at the bottom right hand corner. It's very small. And then over here, you have that little diamond type icon. Tap on that. And then you just want to log out. But it might load up correctly the first time for you. Then you don't have to do this step. But I'm just going to log back in and it should work as the proper desktop version. And as you can see, it's now loaded up the correct desktop version. Now, if I go and zoom in slightly and then I swipe to the right, you can see over here, it says see all pins. Now, the reason we're on the desktop version on a web browser is because you don't have that button on the actual Pinterest app. So when you see that see all pins button, all you need to do is tap on it. That will load up all your pins. You can zoom in, you can view them without having to go into each board separately and having a look at your pins. And over here, they even have a search button where you can search your own pins. So that is how you see all your pins on Pinterest on your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.